This gift means so much more than just makeup during this very challenging time for my family. So Merry Christmas to me. I was beyond excited to win this Christmas giveaway by the beauty influencer Laura Lee. I have always loved makeup, but since the diagnosis, I haven't had any time. She has blessed me more than she'll ever know. So let's see what's in this box. I'm so excited. Tarts, concealers. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. There's so much stuff in here. Ooh, lip gloss. If you tried any of these brands, let me know. Milani setting spray, face powder. Amazing quality makeup. I'm so excited. Ooh. It is. Milk mascara, blurring primer. Best Christmas gift I've ever gotten. My goodness. Cookie. Another milk thing. Milk. We're trying that later. This one's cute. Yes. Setting powder. I'm in shock. Face serum. Primer. What's an eyegloss? Blush. Ooh, alright. Too much of the eye glows. It's a juicy lip. Lips. So with everything that we've been going through, this moment feels like a little Christmas miracle. There's still joy to be found, and I can share this joy today with my boys. So God is good. This is awesome.